Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the inside of a Beacon, model number 41 LKB. We don't have time to do the outside, so we're just going to give you a quick tour of the inside. All right, so let's start in the kitchen with the lovely Lisa.
Hello.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy, fancy.
Fancy.
Yes.
All right, so what is it? This is a pretty good sized kitchen.
Yes, this is the rear kitchen. We have, or is it the front? It is the rear kitchen. So we have a nice stainless farmhouse sink, nice residential faucet. We have the residential stove, the 4-burner stove with the oven. We've got a convection oven over here.
Nice convection oven.
Convection oven, yes.
Lots of storage. I mean, just storage everywhere.
Storage
right up on top, all down on the bottom. And what's neat because of the setup is all this countertop. I mean, there's so much prep space and stuff. I mean, you can have your coffee pot, and you can have your toaster, and you can have your air fryer. You can have all that stuff out and still have a ton of prep space.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I'm a big fan of the drawers in the middle as well. I like
oh yeah,
that.
Absolutely love that.
Yes. Look what we have over here. We have a wine.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Nice.
With the drawers on each side.
Yep.
And a nice big cabinet
that
here.
lights up as soon as you open the door. That's awesome.
It does. And I think I skipped over the refrigerator.
You did. Nice
I
LG
apologize.
residential refrigerator.
Yes.
Is that on?
It is.
Oh, it is. It's nice and cool in there.
It is nice and
Yeah.
cool in here. And it's got the pull-out
Nice.
freezer, which
An
I like.
ice maker in there.
It does. It has a nice ice maker.
Yep, and door access to ice and water.
And it even tells you when the door is locked.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome. Then when you turn around, because we're all the way in the back of the coach, okay? When you're looking forward here, you got your living room, which is basically what you're walking into. So you've got, these are your theater type recliners. They are automatic, right? You just a little push button right there. This is a pull-out sofa, so if you have guests over, they can sleep there. Nice big TV across from your theater seats with a beautiful wide fireplace. You are wired up for a Furrion sound system that goes with the TV. Storage up above. And when I'm sitting down and looking up, just look at that. Isn't that neat, right? What else I want you to pay attention to? See those silver things right there? That's actually the air vents, right? So air conditioning. So you follow the air conditioning line, and they've just sort of decorated them a little bit to stand out in this little middle piece here. It just really looks nice, okay? They do a lot of nice detailing with the Beacons, okay? This is your dinette. This will sit 4 people. All right, you got a nice little side thing in the back for all your condiments. That's what I think it's for. There's some power down here too. I always like to point out power. I didn't do that in the kitchen, but these guys are really great about their power. So let's look up. There's no power there. There's no power there, but there is power here and there is power here. And so there is also power there. So there's plenty of power in the kitchen. It's just not up top. It's just right down there in the face. All right. So let's move forward. Behind the TV, there's a half door here, a little tiny door. What's it going to? Well, hey, you know what time it is.
It's time for Toilet's Toilet Test.
So this is a porcelain foot flush toilet. And as you can see, it's a little bit cramped, but I mean, I'm in. My feet aren't touching anything. My arms aren't touching anything. There's plenty of space. If this was facing forward, it would be so much more comfortable. I don't know why they don't do that, but they've got it at this angle for some reason. It's okay, so. Now for the rest of the bathroom, under counter mount sink, which is great. Solid surface countertop. You got a nice medicine chest here. Now remember, this is just a half bath, right? Guest bathroom, right? A little bit of storage underneath there as well. And even though there's no shower in here, there's plenty of space for your towels or lots of toilet paper for you hoarders. Anyway, all right, so let's move on. Now there's one thing that I forgot to point out when we first came in. Look down here, Lisa. If you've got a generator, there's your start button for the generator. It's already pre-wired, so if you want to add the generator, it's just plug and play. But right when you come in, right to the right of the door, this is kind of the where you put your slides out. You can turn all your lights on and off. It's kind of the brains, but you can do it from your phones as well. Okay, so up into the bedroom. Nice king size bed. This actually looks like a real residential king. Okay, it is 80 by, drum roll please. Oh no, 80 by 70. I thought it was a residential king. Residential kings are 80 by 76. But this is a great mattress. It's a bamboo mattress, so you're not going to need to upgrade your mattress. This is going to be very, very comfortable and very cool. Now, if you're looking around the bed, there's some plugs here, USB for charging. You've got regular outlets to the left, or to the right. Regular outlets to the left as well as USB, okay, which is great. Now, when you're sitting on the bed, right across is just a nice dresser setup. Right, there's 6 drawers. Actually, it's 8 drawers. There's 2 big ones there. There's 4, and then there's 2 more. I'm assuming this would be like your cable stuff or whatever, because there's glass in there. But if you're not, if you can use it, you've got 8 drawers for yourself. But these are drawers, and as you saw my wife, these pull up. So, nice big fireplace. I don't know about you, but my wife, she's always cold.
I am always cold. I love the fireplace.
Always cold. She's burned a few of these up. Well, not these, but at home. I got her for Christmas once, this little, portable fireplace thing. I think that thing lasted about a year, and she blew it up.
About a year.
And she sits in front of it with the heat on. She lives in Florida, and we have the heat on in like July. Anyway, a nice TV across from the bed. All right, so let's go into the main master bath. All right, and yeah, this is nice. Look at this. This is not a foot flush. You just hit that button when you're done with your business, all right? And it just automatically flushes, which is great. I don't need to sit here, guys. There's plenty of room. So this is just an automatic thumbs up for this toilet, all right? So we're gonna spin around here. You got a nice double vanity. You know what it looks like to me? You know those vanities at home, in residential, where it's kind of like, looks like a piece of furniture, like an old dresser, if you will, that's got legs. Looking at it from this standpoint, that's kind of what it looks like. It looks like a standalone piece of furniture. And it's just kind of neat. Anyway, plenty of storage, guys. Big mirror again. It's in 2, as you can see. Hi, Mom. All right. Big medicine chest. 2 sides, his and hers. Okay? So, place to hang up your towels or your bathrobes right there. The little octopuses. Don't they look like little octopuses? Yeah, they do. All right. Let's climb in that shower. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm in the bubble. I'm about 1 inch from the top of the bubble, okay? So this one's gonna be a little bit challenging because if you can see, Lisa, come down over here. I'm not sure if, when I bend over to get to the water, I'm just about hitting my head here. And this has got a screw right here in the middle. Now, knowing that, I would stay back and just go underneath. So I'm not going to give it a thumbs down because of that. But these are things you need to be aware of. In case you didn't know, I'm 6'4". All right, so if you're 6'4" or taller like me, this is going to be a little challenging. It's just something you've got to know that's there, so you don't, scrape your head and cut it open. Okay, but the shower head is tall enough. It's raised up nice and high. There's plenty of left and right room. All right, a nice seat here in the back. It does have glass doors. And again, if you've watched any of our other videos, you know I just don't like the glass doors. They get dirty and water stained. If you don't secure them good enough while you're driving, guess what? You don't have glass doors anymore. They'll be smashed. I like the retractable ones. There's a link down in the description. You can check that out if you want, okay? But all in all, the shower, I'd give it a thumbs up. All right, so there's 1 door left. We haven't checked this out. What is this? Holy mackerel! Look at this thing. It's a whole nother room. This is the true definition of a walk-in closet. Holy mackerel. And it goes all the way back over here too. I mean, look at this. All right. Now, if you want a washer and dryer, it's going to go right here. Okay. This is where your prep area is. The dryer vent would go out this side. So your washer and dryer would take up a bit of the space. But there's so much in here, you're not going to miss the space if the washer and dryer is here. So this is an amazing walk-in closet. Hey guys, so what did you think of this model? All the Beacons we go in, we have a hard time not liking them. The quality, the workmanship, the woodworking, the trimming, I mean, they really do an amazing job. This one, just with the rear kitchen, there's so much space in there. You know, most RVs don't have huge kitchens. With a rear kitchen, huge. We would love to have a kitchen that size. So guys, if you're in the Port St Lucie area and you come to La Mesa, let them know the tall man sent you. Okay, come check out these guys. All their stuff is on sale right now. If you didn't know, we're not salespeople, we're just enthusiasts. We love touring RVs and love bringing you along for the ride, okay? If you've just found our channel for the first time, do us a big favor, smash that thumbs up button. We ask that of you because the YouTube algorithm loves it when you do it. And if you do it, it helps us out a lot and we appreciate it. For all of you who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Thank you for coming back and being part of our family. We do love all of you, we really do. So until next time, be safe.